This is a 2008 Ford F250 XLT right here at Ravenel Ford. Get a good look. White in color. Beautiful vehicle. Got that Powerstroke diesel in there. Body's in really good shape. We're doing this walk around video today so you can see the condition of her. Carfax says it's a one-owner vehicle. Also a green dot vehicle. That means it's extra clean, extra inspected, extra serviced, extra set of keys, comprehensive warranty at no charge. That means you're getting a comprehensive warranty on the vehicle. Give us a call for more detailed information. Toolbox in the back. Nice set of Nitto tires. Chrome alloy wheels. Brand new tires at that. Four-wheel drive. Tow package on the bottom down there, okay? Hook that trailer right on up. Let's take a look in the rear. Comes with a bed liner and a toolbox, okay? So it already has that for you. You can extend these mirrors out if you'd like. Let's take a look at the inside. Wow. Well, nice features in here like power windows, power locks, power mirrors, leather. There you go. Leather interior, tan leather. Really good shape. CD player. Cruise control. Also get a pair of brand new all-season floor mats. Those nice rubber mats to go in here. Four-wheel drive. Let's take a look at the back. Full four-door. Let's unlock it first. If you got some guys that need to get in the back in here, you can do that. Plenty of room in the back, that's for sure. Beautiful vehicle. Very clean. Let's see how many miles are on her. Wow. 79,206, okay? So good mileage on this diesel engine. Tinted windows. Let's roll the window down so you can hear the engine. Rev it up a little bit for you. Wow, those turbos sound nice. Love that sound. Really good shape. Let's look at the price. $27,800, not bad at all. I'm telling you, that's really good. 08 Ford F250 XLT crew cab 4x4 for $27,800. If you need any more information about this truck, give us a call. We'd love to talk with you. Ravenel Ford, just 15 minutes south down Savannah Highway, past the Citadel Mall. Not a very far way to drive to take home a really good truck at a good price. Thanks for watching and have a great day.